Insane visuals, right? You can generate this exact high-retention macro animation and pull millions of views to your channel entirely for free using AI. Today, I am showing you exactly how to produce these viral animations completely from scratch. Smash that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. First, head down to the description, open the linked master file, and copy the entire text. Next, open ChatGPT, paste the file, and hit generate. The AI will instantly deliver 10 highly creative, viral concepts for our vertical sequence. Choose your favorite. For this video, we are picking example number 4. Snowflake melting under a laser beam. ChatGPT will automatically provide the 3 image prompts and 2 video prompts we need. Now, open Google FlowAI and click on New Project. Let's set up our workspace. Select Image Mode, set the aspect ratio to 9:16 vertical for shorts/reels, and change the batch size to ×3 so we get multiple options. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt for image 1, paste it into Flow and click Generate. In just a few seconds, you'll get 3 distinct options. Delete the 2 you don't like, and keep the absolute best one. Now, let's build the progression. Copy the prompt for image 2 from ChatGPT. To keep our macro details completely consistent, drag image 1 right into Flow's reference box. Paste the new prompt and generate. Pick the best one from the batch, delete the rest, and repeat the exact same step for image 3, making sure to drag image 2 as your reference image this time. You now have 3 perfectly sequential frames. Time to bring it to life? Flip your FlowAI settings over to video mode, select frames, keep the 9:16 ratio, and change the batch size to ×1. Drag image 1 into the start frame box, and drag image 2 into the end frame box. Head back to ChatGPT. Copy video prompt 1, paste it into the prompt area, and hit generate. For the second half of our animation, drag image 2 into the start frame box and place image 3 into the end frame box. Copy video prompt 2 from ChatGPT, paste it into Flow and hit generate. Now you have 2 perfectly sequential video clips ready for the final edit. To lock everything together, open any editing software you prefer, like CapCut or Filmora. Import your 2 fresh AIVideo clips onto the timeline in chronological order. Trim away any dead or useless frames. Toss in some heavy sound effects like laser hums and sizzling ice. Add a smooth transition between the clips, and your viral masterpiece is ready to blow up.